aisle. Weather's mad, isn't it? It changes every day. A lot of rain, a lot of flooding, then frost, then snow, then rain again, then frost again. You get my drift. That was full yesterday. Hungry birdies. You see our Amaryllis? I think they're Amaryllis. You know what my brain's like. Amaryllis, is that right? I'm not sure. But anyway, I got them in late and they're coming on. They're coming on, especially this one in the middle here. The good thing about being a hoarder is that there's not a lot I throw away that isn't of use or a reminder at some point in the future. Obviously I've got loads of shit that I've really got to clean out, but we were trying to remember, or I was trying to remember those plants in the kitchen, and I just remembered that I kept the labels here. And I said they're Amaryllis, weren't they? I was totally wrong. Oh no, they are. Amaryllis, Minerva. Oh, I remembered something. We got some rotten old cheese for the chickens. They love it. There we go. Look at the state of you. You must be freezing. Why do you molt in peak winter? Just look at these ivy berries. It is stacked. But don't worry, they're not all going in the bin. I've left loads on for the birds. See that white bit in the background? It's a dinghy. in there somewhere. Under all that. I just found some of these in the garage, and I think they're my dear old dad's old stuff. And I think he may have got them second hand, I'm not sure, but they're Wolfgarten, German I presume. And they've got these interchangeable heads. They're quite handy. I don't like plastic generally, but if the plastic's a good quality and it goes on for the years, I mean this must be, I don't know, 20, it's got to be 20 years. It's been gone a while, so maybe 25, 30 years. Well, another one done. Thanks for joining us. I'm going to be going into some of the mindful side of gardening soon. I've promised it for probably 4 months. And life takes over, I forget. Shit happens and I get distracted. But that's half of the mindfulness topic I want to cover in the coming couple of months. Hopefully there's a friend of mine, she's been tied up unfortunately with personal issues, but she'll be coming to have a chat in the next month or so. So I'm looking forward to that. And the rest, basically it's more tidying. I know it's monotonous, but it just keeps going on, doesn't it? I want to make changes to the flower bed in the centre of the garden as well. I'm getting a bit bored with the straight lines, so I want to try and extend it forward towards the house a bit more and maybe put some curved edges to it, maybe even a path through the middle, but that's a hell of a lot of work. And as much as we like to think we'd like to just do this or just do that, it's time, isn't it? But hey ho. Anyway, do what makes you happy. We'll see you next time.